I am Mitesh Mishra, and she is my student Arzu, and she is my student Ananya. Arzu is learning sitar from me from class 6. Now she is in class 11, and Ananya is also same. She is also started learning from class 5th, and now she is in class 11. So let me introduce myself first. I have been learning sitar since last 25 years, and in this school I have been teaching past 10 years. So I really like this school. I love to teach here because these girls are really hard-working girls. I really like to teach them. So now first I would like to introduce sitar, which is a very famous instrument of India. So let me tell you about the history of sitar. Like this sitar introduced in 13th century. It is introduced by a very renowned artist named Amir Khusro, who introduced this sitar in Indian classical music. When it came first time, sitar has 3 strings, and that time sitar known as sehtar. Seh is a Persian language. In Persian, seh means 3 and tar means string. So in ancient times, sitar was known as sehtar. In 17th century, they have introduced 3 more strings in sitar, and after some words they put 1 more string. So then it became sitar. So it is about sitar history, how it is introduced. And now I am going to tell you about the parts of sitar. Basically, all the sitar is made of wood. There you can say that there are so many different kind of wood we use, like teak wood, mango wood, and Burma teak. There are so many different kinds of wood, but basically for sitar, teak wood is a best wood for sitar. So whole body is made of wood, and only one part which is going to impress you, that is this part. This part is actually made of pumpkin. This is actually made of pumpkin, and this is called sound box of sitar. This is very soft part of sitar. So now you can see there are pegs are here. It is a tuning key. All the strings are fixed in this pegs, and we use it for tuning whenever we want to tune sitar. And these are small pegs are here. This is for a sympathetic string which we use to tune whenever we are playing any composition. In that composition, what are the notes we are using, we tune these strings in that particular raga's note or composition notes. So these are pegs for a main string and sympathetic string. Now this part, this is called frets, which is made of metal or steel, and these all parts, all frets are notes. Each and every frets belongs to notes, and we play all the notes with that. In upper side there are 7 strings, and we use mainly 1 or 2 strings for playing, and other strings are supporting strings, right? And this is called bridge, which maintain the sound quality of sitar. These are the main part of sitar which we see to what type of sitar quality it is. So mainly we consider this all parts should be good. So this is what I wanted to tell you about the sitar.